What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia and Dent Hog's Paintless Dent Repair. Tonight in the shop, we're going to be fixing a dent in that motorcycle tank over there. It's a CVO, nice custom paint on it. You're probably not duplicating that paint or it's going to be really difficult to do so. So we are going to fix a dent on this thing with Paintless Dent Repair, where we don't use body fillers or paint. We're going to preserve the original finish and get the dent out like it was never there. This was actually shipped into us from Pennsylvania. So we'll take you over, show you the damage, and then get set up and repair this with Paintless Dent Repair. Thanks for taking the time to check out this video. Let's go ahead and get started.
What a gorgeous tank. This is actually a 2009 CVO Springer Softail tank. It's in candy cobalt with blue steel flames. Absolutely beautiful. This tank was actually shipped into us from Pennsylvania. This is a nice hooked tool. It has a threaded end so you can put different tips on there. And we're going to go through that fuel opening, and with the heat gun set up, we're applying constant heat to the area to preserve that paint as we begin to shape it back out from the inside. Now we also have high spots around the outside perimeter of the dent, so what you saw us doing there is actually tapping down those pressure points and releasing tension in the center of the dent, which allows us to be able to shape it out safely without cracking the paint and without overstressing the metal. Now we've sped up the footage so that you can see this repair actually taking shape. We're actually tapping down the high spots, working up the low spots, and slowly ironing this metal out, getting every little wiggle and wave out of it till we get it completely restored back to pre-damaged condition. You can see we're almost done here. We just have a tiny little line left, and then because there's a little bit of a scuff on the paint, we're actually going to sand and polish the tank as well to finish it out. So wrapping this tank up, we're just sanding with some 2000 grit sandpaper and polishing to get the scuffs off of the tank. And when it's done, it's perfect, like it never happened, completely restored. So you'll be able to see a panning shot here of the finished result. Guys, if you ever have a dent on your tank or fender and you would like to reach out to us about scheduling a repair, you can find us online at motorcycledents.com, or you can give us a call at 678-544-3004.